I'm here with Sony's brand new 100-400 f5.6-8 super telephoto lens with optical steady shot. And this might be the lens you need to take everywhere. Here are the top line specs. We've got 100-400 millimeters at f5.6-8 with optical steady shot. It's compatible with both Sony Teleconverters. The minimum focus distance is 0.86 meters, and it weighs in at just 654 grams. Although this is a more budget-friendly lens, it still uses Sony's dual linear autofocusing motors, which work reliably and quietly. And not only that, it takes advantage of all of Sony's AI autofocusing features. At the telephoto end, you get a minimum focusing distance of 0.86 meters, which gives us a magnification of 41 times, which is really quite impressive for a lens like this. Weighing in only at 654 grams, it's one of the lightest super telephoto lenses in its class, which really encourages you to bring it everywhere. What's also nice is that for a more budget-friendly Sony lens, they still give you plenty of buttons and dials. You got a custom button here, autofocus and manual switch, where the autofocus limiter is actually in the middle of the dial here. You've got the optical steady shot on and off switch, and a lock, so it's not going to creep out on you. For my limited time testing this lens, I can already tell it's going to be plenty sharp for most people. Containing 15 lens elements in 10 groups, 2 ED and 2 spherical lens elements as well, making it plenty sharp, not very distorted and everything like that. And as well, the aperture contains 9 blades. You may be wondering, would the Sony Teleconverters also work with this new 100-400 millimeter? And you're in luck, because they do. You take advantage of both the 1.4 times converter and also the 2 times converter. Overall, Sony have created quite the solid super telephoto lens, and I'm really impressed by its performance throughout this short time. But what excites me most about this is that we finally have an accessible Sony lens for people trying to do wildlife, travel, sports, anything like that, at an affordable price, and it's easy to carry around. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.